Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to sign up for the Amazon Affiliate Program. First, you will need to understand what the program offers and the basic requirements for joining. This program, also known as Amazon Associates, enables content creators to link to millions of products, earning a commission on qualifying purchases. It is a fantastic opportunity for bloggers, YouTubers, and social media influencers to monetize their audience effectively. Amazon has specific eligibility criteria that applicants must meet before approval. You need a functioning website, blog, or app with original content that is publicly accessible. Your site should also be family-friendly, avoiding inappropriate material. Furthermore, Amazon requires you to generate at least 3 qualifying sales within your first 180 days, or your application may be withdrawn. Meeting these initial criteria is essential for a successful application. Applying for the Amazon Affiliate Program is a straightforward process, but it requires careful attention to detail. You will need to create an Amazon account if you do not already have one. Then, provide information about your website or app, including its purpose and content categories. Filling out your profile accurately helps Amazon understand your content and target audience. Ensure all details are consistent and truthful for a smooth application review. This initial setup is crucial for your approval. To increase your chances of approval, always maintain an active, high-quality website or app. Amazon looks for valuable content that adds to the customer experience. Make sure your affiliate disclosure is prominently displayed on pages containing Amazon links, as this is a strict requirement. Consistently producing original and helpful content will demonstrate your long-term commitment. Following these guidelines helps you present a strong application.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.